Hi, Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the scrap busting star. Let's get started. You can cut this project out with the AccuQuilt Go if you have the 1.5-inch strip cutter and the 12-inch block. You'll need the strip cutter to do the center part, and then you'll need the 2 and the 4 will do the background, and the 3 in the 12-inch block will do the star points. If you want to watch my AccuQuilt scrap busting video, that will show you how I did the strips. And then based on what I had in my scrap bins, if my scrap looked like this and was more chunky, I used the Go. And if it was thin like this and at least 3.5 inches, then I use Bonnie Hunter's Essential Triangle tool. And the reason I like the Essential Triangle ruler is that I can have just strips cut, and I can cut the flying geese, I can cut half square triangles, and I can cut the squares all from one strip. This is my background, and I'm going to want 4 3.5-inch squares. Four of the geese. So we're going to line up on the 3.5, and we're going to cut 4. We're just going to flip it the other way and do the same thing. Make sure your edge is straight. And we're just going to want 4 of those. For the star points, you're going to use the Essential ruler this way. Line up here on the 3-inch mark and cut, and then zigzag it back the other way and cut. Because I'm doing my stars scrappy, I didn't worry about the length here. If you want to do your stars points all of the same, you're going to want at least 20 inches of fabric this way, and that will give you enough to do all of your star points on one star the same. For our center, we're going to take the 1.5-inch strips that we cut, and we're going to sew them into sets of 6. I don't worry if my strips are the same size. I'm just going to put the right sides together, matching the top there, and I'm just going to sew. And I'm just going to keep adding strips until I have my set of 6. When you get your strips all sewn, then you're going to take it to the ironing board, and you're going to set each seam and then press it. Set the seam and press it all the way along the strip set so that your seams are all going one way. This just helps when we put them together so that they'll butt up against each other and you won't have a lot of bulk in your seams. And we're going to take it to the cutting board. We're going to give us a straight edge to begin with, and then we're going to cut these into 1.5-inch strip sets. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please remember to like and subscribe. Also, I will be doing this scrap busting star as a challenge on my Facebook group. If you'd like to join, you can share the ones that you make and see what other people are doing. Maybe it will give you some more ideas. The reason I do the shorter strip is that it allows me to add another strip in here and make some variety with my strips. Once I get strip sets cut, I'm going to lay out 6 just to see how I like it, and then I'm going to sew them together. Once they're all sewn together, I'm going to use the pieces that I cut to make my star. Alright, so we're going to lay out our star and take that to the machine. And then you're going to press toward the sky. Then you're going to take your other side and do the same thing. Line this up and just sew. Once your geese are made, you're just going to sew it in like a 9 patch in the rows and then sew the rows together. And that's how you make a scrap busting star. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like my videos and share them with others. I hope you'll join the challenge. You can find it on my blog and on the Facebook page. I'll put links to those along with links to my website and the tools that I used. I am affiliate with those people, and so I do get a small commission. Just wanted to let you know. Thanks so much. Bye.